Welcome to Tecnia TV. I, Dr. Namita Mishra, faculty of Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, going to deliver a lecture on profit and loss account. Now we will know what is a profit and loss account, why it is prepared. Profit and loss account is a nominal account in nature. It represents the net profit earned at the end of the financial year. It is otherwise known as profit and loss statement. To prepare profit and loss account, first gross profit is transferred from the trading account on the credit side of it along with any other income received by the firm like interest, commission, etc. Now we will discuss the debit side of the profit and loss account, or what are the items that is recorded in the profit and loss account to calculate the net profit earned for the business. Now we will discuss the debit side of the profit and loss account. So in the debit side of the profit and loss account, all the indirect expenses are recorded to calculate the net profit earned for the particular financial year or the accounting period. For example, administrative expenses, financial expenses, selling and distribution expenses, depreciation, bad debt, interest, discount, etc. Balancing figure of the profit and loss account represent the true and the net profit as earned at the end of the accounting period and transferred to the balance sheet to calculate the position of the assets and liability of the particular business. Statement of the profit and loss account of X Limited for the period ending. And like the trading account, there are also two sides in a profit and loss account. So in debit side of the profit and loss account, you will write all the indirect expenses that is incurred, like the salary, rent, office expenses, that is bank charges, to interest that is paid, to electricity expenses, to staff and welfare expenses, audit expenses or auditor fee, to repair and renewals, to commission that is incurred, to sundry expenses, to depreciation, and then you will write and you will record the items in the profit and loss account credit side. So what are the different items that was recorded in the credit side of the profit and loss account? Let us discuss the credit side of the profit and loss account. First of all, you need to transfer or record the gross profit that is brought down from the trading account. Then along with the gross profit, you need to record different indirect incomes that is earned during the course of the business hour, like the bank interest received, discount received, commission on income that is received, and then after that the profit and loss account will be balanced, like balancing of all the ledger. Then if the expenses side is more, the business calculate or the accountant calculate the net loss. If the income side is more, then there is a profit that is called as a net profit of the business, and that net profit is transferred to the balance sheet to know the position of the assets and liability of the business at the end day of the accounting period. So following references has been taken for preparing the script, and I hope you understand the lecture. For watching more lecture, you need to like and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.